thank you for the gift of a guest of honor.
Arukugambira ha mukorwa kumara umwaka gw'abebembezi ba Kisoro Haltua Land Cottages. Robert Mukiza ayorekere ngu Kisoro neija kuganyurwa munonga abashubuzi bayikwata makoro.
Thank you very much MP Kamara. We need the industrialization in this. So that kind of energy that you have, please harness that and work with us to ensure we get the financing for the industrial park here.
Bamwe habebembezi ba Kisoro borekero butashemerwa bagumize government ekerirwe munonga okwikirize kiyaraganisa abantu.
Twebwe nk'abanyakisoro wanted or not industrial park ikwiye gutangira. Akamajambo nijene nagatumye honare wanitega gavuge. Nicho wamugenda bivuge. Nicho wabwiye Minister wa Finance Matia Kasacha ngazariye mu kibaya avuge byo asizavuze.
Mukiza hona yanjira government ya Sientebe kanisa zokombeka industrial park.
To support you to transition from trading to manufacturing, value addition. That is the major message we want. So Kamara, even in the discussion on the industrial park, you also join us in having that discussion with the traders in Kisoro, that can we become manufacturers in the land, in the industrial park. How do we support you to ensure you get all the incentives?
Abebembezo muri Kisoro bakahaye umwanya gwa hikaruka 20 muri kibaye yabunagana hamwe na Rukundo Town Council okutamu industrial park mu kwezi kwa 8 mwaka gw'2021 bitana hatine cyakozurwe
kuko ico bari dusabiye ta cyakozwe. So twebe kandi dufite ubwoba dusanga yuko minister shobora ko yatwibitaka ntangamo kimwe bazi badukorere vuba ico badu promises.
Amakora gagasha kwa Job Namanya na Kate Atuzarire.